Welcome to Snow Day, Lego Day. Today we are going to be working on our version of Kit 60058, slightly modded. The vehicle we lovingly refer to as the Tool Academy truck. Today, Kit 60180 will make the ultimate sacrifice and will become the new lift kit for the Tool Academy truck. It's going to be fun. Well, here she is. Old suspension out of the Tool Academy truck and our suspension out of our monster truck. By the way, squishy tires, full functioning 4-link, and because you gotta have your Tool Academy truck on point, right? That's our build for this year, at least on the Tool Academy truck. Any other updates you think we should do on the Tool Academy truck, let me know, and I'll have more videos coming pretty soon. Talk to you later. Love you.